Hello everyone, we are from Team Try and we are working on startup Keth Sahai. Keth Sahai aims at the well-being and proper unbiased treatment towards the hidden protagonists of our society, namely farmers, delivering fresh products directly from farm to your doorstep, keeping in mind that the quality is ensured to the customers is what our team strives for. We, the members of our organization, have always been finding ways to help them with whatever little is available at our disposal. On a longer run, through our website, we aim to reach every corner of the country and make a change in the mindsets of people and the stereotypes they have about our farmers, also ensuring that they have a greater exposure to the commerce industry. Bringing together all the agriculturists under one umbrella, our team seeks to make them self-sufficient and self-reliant. India, being one of the world's largest producers of agricultural supplies, can achieve greater heights in future by the upliftment of these unsung heroes of our nation. Our startup determined to be a first stepping stone in this direction. Together, we can achieve. Now, one of our teammate will explain you the working of our system and the marketing strategies.
Hi everyone, I'm J. Jeevan Sandhya and I'll give you the outlook of business plan. And for the more benefits, our customers and farmers. So here we have a customer segments which we will have a more in detail for the farmer sake and for the customers. So generally they will have an interman for the farmers and customers. So previously issues if we take, they don't have any clarity about the profit and losses for their sake. So by this idea, we will have more helpful for their more clarity about the profit and the losses. So here we have some customer segments and value propagations like supervisors who will have an intermediate for the like farmers, admins, and customers. And also we have also included some revenue streams which we have a small in profit towards and customers, and also key partners and key activities as an admins and supervisors, which will include also the marketing team and technical team, and the cost structures which we want to know it for more details we will share it, and channels which will have a more interrogating with the customers like as in a websites and web pages and more it all. And here we have a more in detail structure. So for more coding, one of our team will explain the model of it.
Hello everyone, I am Uday. So before continuing to explain our project, I would like to address a problem of our nation. We know the farmers are the backbone of our country. Without them, we don't have. We won't have a producer to feed on. The world's population depends on them. But in the recent years, the farmers are getting deprived day by day. So, India is one of the largest producers in the world, and yet India records most farmer suicide rates across the globe. Across the globe, and this in the suicide rate is increasing a lot. So, this is a fact that 17 farmers every day commit suicide in India. That makes it about 6,000 farmers per year, and this is the critical problem that needs attention. So the most common reasons are indebted, crop failure, and price crash. And these three relates to the revenue stream. Now, talking about the revenue stream, why this? Let's talk about the current system in which the farmers are not getting any benefits. Namely the middleman system. So these farmers don't get, don't get to, sell their products directly to the customers. There are middlemen included here. So right from the contractor who purchases the produce directly from the farmers to the retailer who sells it in the city, there are a lot of people in between the farmers and the customers. Say suppose the contractor at the farmer side purchases the produce at 3 rupees or 2 rupees per kg, who and the final chain, in the final chain, the retailer who sells it to the customer at 30 or 40 rupees per kg. So farmers are not getting any benefits from this system. So we would like to address, we team try guys address this problem, and we came up with an idea, Kate Sahai. This is our idea, and this is our idea of our project. we basically have three roles in our system, namely supervisor, admin, and customers. Now, uh, we admin people directly get contacts from the farmers, and we tell them that like if there is any produce, just contact us. So whenever farmers contact the admin, we will send a supervisor to the respective village, the respective farm, and and then the supervisor checks the quality and the quantity of the vegetables and sends it to the storage. Before sending it, the supervisor sends approval request, and this I mean supervisor also sends images and location and the time. So these are all included. So he sends the approval request to the admin, and admin, if the quantity is good and the quality is good, and it is in the storage. If it is in the storage, then the admin approves the produce, and only the approved products will get to see the website or application. Now we use we are using an e-commerce website. We are also planning to launch an application wherein customers can purchase the goods from. Uh, After the admin approves, any product, it is reflected in the website. If admin disapproves a request, then the supervisor will have to re-verify the purchase of goods and send it to the storage. After sending it, after the customers purchase it from the website or application, and by the way, the storage is nearby a city, so that the delivery executive can directly reach the storage and get it to the customers and deliver it to the customers. Whenever customers buy it from the website or application, the products, the delivery partner is assigned, and the goods from the storage are directly given to the customers. So what happens in this system? In this system, the revenue stream is only from the customers. Uh, we a team try ensure that the farmers are benefited from this system. So there are no middlemen in the system. We act as an interface between the farmers and customers. So we plan that provided the customer circle is large enough, we ens- we assure that the future prices are less than 50% of the customers will pay less than 50% of what they pay at retail stores now. So provided the circle is large enough, so that all the investment is distributed among all the customers. So even the delivery partner shipping charges is paid by the customers, and it is quite less compared to what retailer has retailer will sell them in the city. So I will now explain your code.
So let me explain you the code now. So this is our code. This is the user code, and this is the customer's code, and this is the main function. So let me run it real quick. This is the vision of our Keth Sahai. It just prompts in for 2 or 3 seconds. So this is the login page of our Keth Sahai. So it is we are given three options, that is login, privacy policy, and exit the program to terminate the program. This is the privacy policy of our startup, and this is the login. So we'll just choose login now. So I'll log into the supervisor account now. Uh, let's add as username supervisor. So since the username is not available, since I have not created any account under supervisor, so I'm asked to sign up. I just press sign up, and let me add a password real quick. Let me add a password as a password, super secure one. So the user is successfully created. Now we are prompted to log in. So since I've created a supervisor account, I'll just log into the supervisor account now. Supervisor is the username that we have just created, and the password is the password. Yeah. So this is the homepage of our supervisor. Here we are given three options. So that is to add a new crop, update pending approval status, and this is my account. So let me add in a product. Let's add a vegetable, say tomato. Yeah. Say suppose I have just verified 300 kgs of the quantity, and the quality is nice. So I'm just pressing 300 kgs quantity. So it is asking us the storage status, whether we have transferred it to the storage or not yet transferred it into the nearby storage. So I've just explained you the storage, the role of the storage in our system, right? So I'll just press in storage. I've just transferred the whole tomato into the storage. So I'm given two options now: continue adding products or exit adding. I'll just continue adding a few more products to add. I will add a vegetable again. So let me add a brinjal this time. Yeah, brinjal. And the quantity I have verified 100 kgs of quantity of brinjal, and I have no issues with the the quality issues. So let's say suppose it is not in the storage now, and I have not transferred any of the brinjal to the storage. So I'll just press not in the storage, and here we are given again the two one. I mean sorry, I'll continue adding products again. I'll add a fruit this time. Let's add apple. Let's say I have 50 kgs of it, and it is in the storage. I have transferred it in the storage, so I'll just type in storage. So now I'll quit adding. Now we are given, this is the home page of the customer. I'm sorry, supervisor. So we'll check the update pending approval status. So this is the option. So when I'll just show you this one. Yeah. So say suppose the brinjal is not in the storage for now, but I've transferred it to the nearby storage already. So I will update the status of the storage this time. So I'll change the crop name brinjal. I'll just press 2. So the what is the storage status that you want to update? So it is in the storage now. It is previously not. So I'll just press in 1. Yeah, successfully updated the pending product. So now I have no pending approval statuses to update now, and I have added all the new crops. So I'll just log out. I'll just press my account. So this is the account of supervisor. Here is the here it displays the supervisor name. So by the way, now we are planning to send all the photos, a timestamp, location, while sending approval statuses to the administrator. So due to the time being, we are using C, and C doesn't support to send images. So we are bound to send only the crop type and crop name. So in the future updates, we'll definitely cover that too. This is the supervisor account. So I'm asked to log out or go to home. Home takes us to the supervisor homepage. So I'll log out. I'm successfully logged out, and here we come again at the login page. I'll log in this time as the administrator. I've already created an account under administrator by the name username admin, and the password I've just created is already is admin2. So this is the administrator homepage, and it is asking us to show pending approvals or my account. I'll just press in pending approvals that are sent by the supervisors. I'll just press 1. These are the details of the crop that are sent by the supervisor that I have to approve, that the administrator has to approve. This is a tomato crop type. Crop type is vegetable. Crop name is tomato, and the available quantity is 300 kgs, and the quality is a nice one. That's when the that's when the supervisor sends the quantity. And here we also get images in the future updates. So it is in the storage. Yes, it is in the storage. So I have seen no mistake in this, so I'll approve this one. And we are asked to enter the price of the price per kg. So this depends. In future, administrator looks into the market prices of the tomato, and basically not market prices. At how much cost we have taken it from the farmers, that is that we use market price to determine. And the whole investment of our the Keth Sahai is distributed among the customer circle, and the customer circle. So the larger is the customer circle, the lower is the price they pay. So that is the only stopping cases in our Keth Sahai. So I'll enter, say I have made all the calculations, and my system is telling me to like uh, suggesting me to uh, take in 10 rupees per kg. So I'll just type in 10 rupees per kg now. So this is the crop type. We have another pending approval, namely brinjal vegetable, and available quantity is 100 kgs, and it is in the storage. I've seen no mistake again. So I'll just press 1. Enter the price. So let me add 20 rupees per kg this time. We have another crop that is apple fruit. We have 50 kgs of it, and it is in the storage. I've seen no mistake, and I'll just approve it. Let's type 25 rupees per kg this time. Then it shows that no pending approvals left. So I can, if I type, if I click show pending approvals again, it will just prompt me that there are no pending approvals left. So I'll just go to my account. So this is the like my administrator account. This is the username, and this is the role of him in the Keth Sahai, that is admin of Keth Sahai. So here we are given two options: logout and home. Home takes to the administrator homepage. I just log out. Yeah, this is the, I mean, this is the vision, and here we come again to the login page. I'll just log into the as the customer this time. uh, Customer, I've already created a user under customer. uh, Customer is the username and the password is the password, as I remember. Yeah, so this is the customer's homepage. We we are given two categories, that is vegetables and fruits to choose from, to purchase from. So this is the my account, that is the customer's account. I'll just add a vegetables to my card now. When I type category vegetables, we are given two crop types, so that is tomato and brinjal. Tomato has 300 kgs and the price per kg is 10 rupees. I like tomatoes real quick to my card. Here we are given available quantity is 300 kgs, and it is asking us to type the quantity required. I'll just press 5 kgs. I require 5 kgs. So here we're given two options: buy and my account. Buy takes us to the like a checkout page, and this my account. I'll just give you a glimpse of it. So yeah, here in the account, this is the customer's account. This is the username, and this is the role of him in the Keth Sahai. This we here we're given three options, that is logout, home, and the cart. This is the cart, the updated cart. We have just we have just added a tomato, tomato 5 kgs. So the cart is updated to 1. Let me add a few more products. I'll go to home, customer home again. Let me add a fruits this time. I'll add apple. The available quantity is 50 kgs, and it is asking us to type the quantity required. Say suppose I need 10 kgs of it, so I'll just press 10 and enter. So here we are given two options again. I'll go to my account to show the updated cart. So this is the updated cart. Since we have added apple 2, the cart updated is 2. So I'll just show you the cart. Yeah, these are the cart details. So the crop type is crop. We have added tomato 5 kgs. So this is the overall price. Since the tomato has a 10 rupees per kg price tag, and I have added 5 kgs. 5 into 10 is 50 rupees. Similarly to the apple, we have 10 kgs and the 25 rupees per kg. So 250 rupees is final price. So I'll just press in 1 to buy to purchase the cart items. So I'll just press. You can yeah. I'll just press 1. So the order is placed successfully. This is the my account again. So the cart is updated again to 0 since I've successfully placed the order. So I'll just log out from the account. So this is the working or of our program itself. So basically, since we are at the login page again, I will show you the privacy policy of our startups. Yeah. So this is our privacy policy of our startup. This is the terms of use, terms and conditions, and everything. So I'll just press any key to go home. Yeah, this will we have reached the home again. So since I have I am completed my work, I'll just exit from my program. Press 3 to terminate my program. Yeah, this is the working of our program, and yeah. As we are here, I will quickly give you an overview of the website we have created. So due to the time constraint, we have not included any interactive experience with our website. This is just, we have just created an UI of our website of how it looks in the future. So this is our website. So this is our vision of the Keth Sahai. And here we go. This is our privacy policy. I'll just quickly give you a glimpse of it too. This is our privacy policy, the terms and conditions and other things. So, and this is the feedback. Yes, we are taking feedback from the customers to improve ourselves. So this is the feedback that we will be working on. So this is the quick overlook of our website. In the future, we are planning to launch an application too. And more add additional features will be added in those websites and applications. So this is our project. So the basic motive of our project is that to make the farmers beneficial here. How they, as I've explained you, how they are get beneficial. The customers here are also getting benefited. So since the produce is directly from the farmers to the customers, there will be no middleman. Tampering with the quality of the produce. So since we all know the products that are sold by our retailers, sometimes they mix chemicals like calcium carbide to make it more ripe, and they also use hybrid thing. They use chemicals to make to make them hybrid. So as we Keth Sahai, Team Try guys directly bring the produce from the farmers to the customers. there will be no tampering with the quality. So the customers are the customers are benefited by getting quality products at the cheaper prices. Similarly, to the farmers, since they have since there are no middlemen, they will get proper prices and based on the market. So this is how the system works. So this is our basic principle, and we at Kids I ensure this will happen. So this is the real-time project, and with this I want to terminate this presentation. So I hope you like it. Thank you.